Good. Oh my gosh. Kayla, you gonna help Ben?
She'll put your shoe on.
Sit on the stair, buddy. No? Yeah. Yeah. Give her a foot.
Okay, Kayla, put it on.
Yeah.
Put it in.
Put it,
Put your foot in, Bennett.
put it in. This is not usually a moving target. I think it's getting frustrating, huh? Oh. I'm sorry, she's getting frustrated. That was great.